The Lightning Car Company is a British sports car developer, originally based in Fulham and Peterborough. The company relocated to Coventry and is focused on the development and production of high-performance electric sports cars. Lightning GT. The firm's first product, the eponymous Lightning GT, was unveiled in 2008 where it won Car of the Show at the last Excel London Motor Show. It is loosely based on an extant internal combustion vehicle from Ronart Cars. It incorporates quick-charging lithium-titanate batteries from Altairnano into a body made from carbon fibre. The Lightning GT employs rear-wheel drive from two synchronous motors to accelerate to 60 miles per hour, 97 km/h, in less than 4 seconds and has an expected usable range of 150 miles, 240 km, on a single battery charge, with a range extender battery pack option increasing this to 225 miles, 360 km. The company was taking orders for 2012 delivery. This was later moved back to 2014, and subsequently 2017. The prototype was displayed at the Coventry Moto Fest, featuring a revised Magtech powertrain.